Hey guys, missed a set of gadgets for your car? Some of them will take care of your safety, some will improve the functionality, and some will turn your vehicle into something futuristic. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Number 15. Scanning your car for any troubles is now easier than ever. This handy scan tool stands out with a 5-inch touchscreen and intuitive menu. Here you can choose between 4 different system diagnosis services and share the results immediately with the mechanics via Bluetooth or email, or simply save a screenshot. It features from 8 to 16 GB of onboard storage. This thing automatically identifies your car info and runs a quick scanning program. You can check your battery voltage and read all sorts of trouble codes. Also, there are 5 free reset programs along with the optional paid ones. The scanner supports a variety of protocols. That's why it's fully compatible with almost 100 car brands, and the battery won't disappoint you. Number 14. Cleaning your car from snow may be a headache, but don't worry, this snow remover removes large amounts of snow in no time. Unlike shovels, it won't scratch or damage your vehicle. There's a foam sleeve that's friendly to all kinds of surfaces. You can turn this thing into an ice scraper with a simple flip. So even the most stubborn ice patches are not an issue. An extendable handle makes the device perfect for reaching even the top of large SUVs. Last but not least, it's sleek, it's collapsible, and it's lightweight. Number 13. Jump-starting a car is no longer an issue. This portable gadget easily handles that as well as some other tasks. With its 2,000 amp power, this thing suits gas and diesel vehicles of various sizes. Several types of protection make sure it's completely safe to use. Also, the gadget is ready for extreme weather conditions. The built-in LED screen indicates the battery status and other useful stuff. Aside from a jump start, you can use this brick to charge your mobile devices. Enjoy 2-way fast charging at 15 watts via USB-C, and on top of that, there's an integrated flashlight with 3 different modes. The 20,000 mAh capacity lets you jumpstart a vehicle up to 35 times on one charge. Number 12. Now let's check out another tool, an innovative tire inflator. It uses a unique slime sealant that coats the tire from the inside, repairing any puncture up to 1/4 inch. This slime repair will last over 500 miles, which should be more than enough to get to a tire repair facility safely. Otherwise, this thing works like a regular inflator. Plug into the car socket, attach the hose, and start inflating with a push of a button. Thanks to the built-in digital display, you can track the tire pressure in real time, and in case you've got too much air inside, don't worry, there's a deflate button, especially for that purpose. Number 11. All of us have experienced the nightmare of a bag of food toppling over after an aggressive acceleration on a fresh green, or when having to slam on the brakes suddenly. Meet a seatbelt that keeps all sorts of bags upright. The installation will take just a couple of seconds. Place the anchor piece in the glove box and just shut the door. That's it. Now secure the other end to the top of the bag and tighten the strap, leaving the bottom of the bag still on the floor. Number 10. Here's the most reliable and easy-to-use puncture repair kit for tires. No need to remove the tire, just screw in the plugger and fix the mushroom plug. These plugs safely seal the tire from the inside, providing a long-term solution. The package includes over a dozen of them. That's more than enough. And there's a rust-proof stainless steel nozzle that'll last for ages. So the tool's great, but the gun kit's even better. It uses the same materials, yet makes the process way easier and faster. Number 9. Here's a hail protector that keeps your car safe in any weather. Setting it up only takes a couple of minutes. Just put this thing all over your car and activate it using the remote control or companion app. The app also provides precise weather forecasts and alerts, so you can prepare your shield in advance. With its 2 layers and aerodynamic design, this thing was tested in the harshest conditions. You can withstand hail of any size and wind up to 80 miles an hour. As for the power supply, there are plenty of options to choose from. Removable batteries, a car plug, or a regular AC adapter. Of course, this thing comes in several sizes for all types of vehicles. Number 8, and get ready for the journey. Fed up with a mess in your trunk every time you go on holiday? This trunk organizer is your stuff saver. Its increased capacity is enough to store all your bits and pieces and keep them safe even when off-roading. The organizer itself is very lightweight and compact. You can keep it folded or turn it into a full-size heavy-duty bag with 2 separate compartments for all your stuff. Rigid base plates make the bottom steady, and the securing straps with anchors keep this thing in place. Non-slip strips on the bottom prevent the organizer from sliding even when it's fully loaded, and the side pockets are perfect to keep small items like screws, pliers, and other handy things. Number 7. Nice. When stuck with a car on the road, you'd better be noticed. That's where this emergency lighting kit may come in handy. So the kit comes with 4 emergency lights. They're bright enough to light a mile away in a 360-degree direction. All you need is to place them around the vehicle, turn them on, and select one of these several available emergency flashing modes. What's more, a simple magnetic mechanism and a hook makes it easy to attach the light directly to the car. The kit also includes a compact bag and a screw. Number 6. This 18-in-1 multi-tool is a must for every car owner. You can use it to jumpstart your car since the 1000 amp peak current is strong enough to do that, and a built-in battery will take care of your devices. But what we like best is that it's a wild card in emergencies. You can easily cut the safety belt and break the window. Any attackers and robbers will run away when they hear a super loud alarm. A super bright flashlight and an SOS light may also come in handy. With its compact design and built-in industrial magnet, you can store the multi-tool either in a cup holder or glove box, or simply put it on the car door. This thing will keep you out of trouble. Number 5. With this signal booster, you'll get perfect cellular connectivity even in the middle of nowhere. So there are 3 major components: the outside antenna that mounts on the roof, the actual booster that amplifies the signal, and the inside antenna that distributes your improved signal through the vehicle. Everything you need for installation is included in the package: the adhesive disc mounting bracket, and of course your power supply. What's cool? There's a built-in USB port to charge your phone. This thing suits any type of vehicle. Whether it's a car, truck, or van, place the booster under the seat and hide the cables. Now it's completely discreet, and yet all your passengers can enjoy a strong signal. It even works with a 5G network. Number 4. Do you hate the long, annoying process of trying to hitch the trailer to your vehicle? This camera will be your helping hand. It allows you to hook the trailer up for the first time every time. What you need is to power up the camera with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, then mount the cam onto the back of your vehicle, and you're done. After that, plug in the 3.5-inch color LCD into any 12-volt auxiliary outlet, and you'll be able to quickly and easily connect your trailer to the receiver hitch in seconds. Cool. Number 3. Problems with parking. This laser parking guide will help to park your car in the garage in the same spot every time. The built-in motion sensor automatically turns on the light and shines the laser on your car when the built-in sensors detect the movement. The beam guides you to the perfect parking spot, and once it shines on the designated spot, the mission's accomplished. The device is easy to install with the included adhesives, and since it's battery-powered, it'll work even if your house loses power. Now your garage is safe. Number 2. Loading luggage to a vehicle's roof can be tricky. Not with this doorstep. Just hook it over the U-shaped door latch and step on it. The rugged anti-slip surface provides safety and stability, and the doorstep is wide enough to stand on both feet. Aircraft-grade aluminum makes this thing lightweight, yet very strong. And don't worry about damaging your car. The coated hook and rubber bumper prevent scratches and marks. The doorstep is compatible with all cars, and it's small enough to fit in a center console. You can always have it nearby in case you need to load some stuff. Number 1. You'll like this LED display for your car. The dedicated mobile app acts as a remote control, delivering thousands of emojis, smiles, and fun animations. You can let everyone know there's a baby in the car, or support your favorite team on game days. More than that, you're free to draw your images and texts. The display easily installs on any of your windows. Most importantly, this thing is compatible with Siri and Google Assistant, which allows safe and hands-free use, and your passengers will enjoy the preloaded 8-bit games. Our digital engine is cooling down, but your journey is just beginning. Stay connected with us, like, share, and gear up for the next ride.